Right, example 2 is simplifying expressions with like terms. So method 1, use the distributive property before combining like terms. So this means we're going to take this -3 and we are going to multiply it to everything inside of my parentheses. So first we have -3 times a -1. -3 times -1 is +3. -3 times a +2 is -6x. -3 times a +7 is -21. So now we're going to combine like terms. So we have two sets of constants. So I'm going to rewrite my -6x because there's nothing I can combine that with. And then 3 minus 21. So 3 minus 21, we do keep, change, change. These are different signs. So we subtract 21 minus 3 is 18, and we keep our negative because 21 was bigger, and that's negative. So my answer is -6x minus 18. For method 2, it says combine like terms in the parentheses before using the distributive property. So we're going to see, can we get the same answer on these two problems by doing two different methods? So first, we need to combine our like terms. So we have two constants. We're going to leave our -3 on the outside. -1 plus 7 gives us a +6 because we have -1 plus 7. Those are different signs. We get 6. 7's bigger and it's positive. And then plus 2x. -3 now times +6 is -18. And -3 times +2 is -6x. Now these look different, but all I'm going to do is rewrite it so that my -6 is in the front and my -18 is in the back. And you will see we actually get the same answer on both. So now you are going to use either one of your methods. So you can use method 1 or method 2. And you're going to do them on your own, and then you'll check your try-its with mine.